The one and only PIEZON PS instrument working perfectly in 95% of all situations. The original PIEZON no pain system is composed of 3 elements: the PIEZON PS instrument, the high-tech PIEZON handpiece, and the modern no-pain electronic module. Designed to be as slim and as smooth as a periodontal probe, the original PIEZON PS no-pain instrument is absolutely gum-friendly, minimally invasive, maximally preventative, preserves the epithelium thanks to its perfectly linear movements. It uses piezo ceramics to convert the smart electronic signal of the no-pain module into a mechanical vibrational motion. This activates the PIEZON PS instrument to have a perfectly linear motion. Can be used sub- and supragingivally in all quadrants, around orthodontics appliances, and interdentally. The PIEZON no-pain dynamic power regulation offers high patient comfort. The handpiece intuitively detects the calculus by recognizing the higher resistance. The device then automatically increases the power of the instrument to effectively remove the calculus. Standard scalers always have the same output, which can result in discomfort and over-treatment. PIEZON PS is driven by dynamic power regulation. The power of the PIEZON PS automatically regulates itself depending on the type of calculus it comes in contact with. Lower output on the enamel and light calculus, and maximum on hard calculus. Air scalers deliver a circular movement. Magnetostrictive scalers deliver elliptical movements. Both technologies cause pain to the patient. The PIEZON PS moves linearly, removing hard calculus without hitting the tooth surface and causing no pain. Never use copy or so-called compatible tips. It can cause irreversible damage to the handpieces and especially damage the patient's teeth. A happy patient is a loyal patient.